What's up, guys? I'm gonna be doing a car show later. If you wanna join in and watch the video after it's published, you can if you want to. I'm not making you do it, but me and my friend Brandon and some people else, like some random people, I don't know, like 2 or 3, 5 people in my lobby. I'm not sure, but I'll read you the names right now. It's only on PS3. I'm on PS3 right now. On PS3, my name is Bad Boy You Dead. And I'll show you right now. Bad Boy You Dead. But yeah, let me get my controller real quick. You can add him on PS3. Him. Up here. Oh, right here. Add him. And he's like a modder, I think. But he does give away. No, he don't give away. Like, he can find you a tractor. No, a lawnmower. And GTA 5. Because I am not actually playing GTA 5. I'm just getting like everything ready for the using my character. I'm getting ready. Here's my car. We're doing a sports car car show. And that's it for today. Peace. Oh, if you want to see my controller, this is my controller. Peace.